One of the most common questions I get from you is, what is the secret to making soft, flexible candle sheets? And today you are finally going to learn this important technique and create your own flexible wax sheets. If this is your first time watching my videos, make sure to subscribe and don't forget to like the video. Your support helps the channel grow and I really appreciate it. So let's get started. The materials I'm using today are beeswax granules and white and yellow candle dyes. First, I pour the beeswax granules into my melting pot and let them melt completely. Once the wax is fully melted, I add the candle dye. After everything has melted and blended together, I let the temperature drop just a little. Then, using a spoon, I pour the wax onto my silicone mat and let it cool down. When it's fully cooled, I gently peel it off the mat. Now I have a perfectly flexible wax sheet that can bend into any shape I want, and I can create any candle design I imagine. Thank you so much for watching until the end. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss future lessons. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and don't forget to like the video. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.